Hello everyone, I am Fareen Hena and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will tell you about JavaScript, the basics of JavaScript. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a scripting or programming language that allows you to implement complex features on web pages. Every time a web page does more than just sit there and display static information for you to look at, displaying timely content updates, interactive maps, 2D, 3D graphics, and dynamic background colors. JavaScript is one of the core technologies of the World Wide Web, alongside HTML and CSS. In 2023, 98.7% of websites use JavaScript on the client side for web page behavior. Types of JavaScript: primitive and non-primitive. JavaScript includes primitive and non-primitive data types. The primitive data type in JavaScript includes string, number, boolean, undefined, null, and symbol. The non-primitive data type includes the object. A variable of primitive data type can contain only a single value. What type of language is JavaScript? JavaScript is a multi-paradigm dynamic language with types and operators, standard built-in objects and methods. It is based on the Java and C languages. Many structures from those languages apply to JavaScript as well. JavaScript supports object-oriented programming with object prototypes and classes. Now let's move forward and let's see the benefits and functions of JavaScript. Speed. JavaScript is a translated language. It cuts down on the time needed for complication in other programming languages like Java. Another client-side script is JavaScript, which advances program by eliminating the wait time for server connections. Java transcript functions are basically used to give a summary of logic, making that code more reusable and easier to understand. The structure for creating a function in JavaScript is quite simple. Functions can take input in the forms of parameters and can return a value or output. So viewers, this was just the intro of JavaScript. I hope it was useful for you all, and do let me know any other topic on which you want me to make a video.